Good morning, everyone. Today is November 9th, and we're going to walk through what we need to be working on this week for math. So, clicking into the Math 7 homepage, you're here on this video. And so, first thing we want to look at is assignments for the week. So, looking at what is new in assignments for this week. So, you can see that there are lots of things going on this week. So, all kinds of things. And now, notice that these four all have the rocket ship, which means these are on Canvas. So we've stepped up. We're going to have quite a bit to do on Canvas this week. And then in Edgenuity, you can see there's only going to be one section. So looking at the due date, so this is Canvas. This will be due Wednesday. This is Canvas, due Wednesday. Canvas, due Wednesday. So these things are in Canvas, all due Wednesday. And then the last thing after you do these things in Canvas is down here, there's one section in Edgenuity, writing and evaluating expressions. So we're starting a new section on expressions, which is why we're working on Canvas. And so when you finish the sixth section, you should be about 37% complete for the 9 weeks. So make sure you do that. In class on Monday, you should have gotten the notes already, but if you missed, that's okay. They're in modules still. So in modules, if you go here to write, evaluate, and simplify expressions, that's what your 3 assignments on Canvas are. There's one on writing, one on evaluate, and one on simplify. So if you click this link, here's the video to the notes that you should have taken in class Monday, but you can get them here as well. Okay, so good luck with that. So take these notes first, then go back into your assignments. One note about the assignment. So this first one right here says expressions SLO completion grade only. That completion grade only, this is not for a grade for you. So if you do it, you get a 20 out of 20 automatically. It's not a matter of how many you get correct. We're going to take this now, and then SLO means that we're going to take it now, and then about a month from now, we're going to take it again, and we're going to see how far we grew. So hopefully from the time we take it today, maybe it's going to be a struggle, right? I expect this to be too hard because we haven't learned this stuff yet. So if you take it and you don't get like anything right because it's really hard, I understand. It's supposed to be really hard because that's what we're going to be learning over the next month or so. So don't be discouraged by this first one. Just get it done. Give it your best effort, and then we'll go from there with learning some new things. So if you have any questions, let us know, and good luck.